Now we'll see about projection view. A projection view is created on a single table. It is used in case of in a table we have large number of fields, but we want to give an interface with a limited fields. In that case, we can use the projection view and we can add the limited field which we want to expose outsides. For example of a standard table KNA1, that is the customer master KNA1. So in KNA1 there are lot of fields are there. There are so many fields in the KNA1, but I want that only the customer ID, name one, and let's say telephone number I want to provide in a view. Only three fields: customer ID, name one, and telephone number. Remaining field I don't want to include in the view. So on this single table KNA1 we can create a view, projection view. So go to SC11. In the view, enter ZUPV, that is, we are creating a projection view. We can give any name, select projection view. Here we have to select the basic table, on which table we want to create the view. So my table is KNA1. After entering the table name, click on table fields which we want to include on the screen. Here I want to expose the mandate, customer ID, name one. Okay, I'm also going to postal code and I'm selecting the telephone number. This is the first telephone number. Copy, save. In the maintenance status we can see it is also read only. Check and activate. Once we activate, here also we can see the content of the table through view. This means that we can view the content and we can also use the view in the program for selecting data from database tables. Click on contents. Let me enter a search criteria and execute. Now you can see from the same table I can see only limited fields. This is we can use in case of we have a large number of fields in a database table and we want to give a limited projection of the fields. So in this case we can make use of this projection view. So with this we're done with the all four types of views: database view, maintenance view, help view, and projection view. Just as a summary, we can use the database view on to a remote table when we are okay with the inner join concepts and the requirement is only read only. Maintenance view to view as well as to update data. Help view if you want to create a search help on multiple table, then only go for the help view. Projection view if we have large number of data in a single table and we want to expose, that is give an interface of limited table fields, then in that case we can use the projection view. With this we're done with the session on ABAP data dictionary views.